Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ygwigs. They sent me over 5 packs of their feather crochet hair in the texture water deep wave. We of course got the crochet needle and some hair care instructions on the back, and this is what the hair is looking like. This hair is 20 inches long, so we're going for a little curly bob moment. So I started off by laying my foundation, and what you'll see me doing here is parting out where I'll leave out. I didn't want to do the no leave out method just because I plan to have this in for a while. So I parted an L shape at the front of my head to mimic the actual middle part that I'm going to be doing, where the crochet hair is going to go on. So I'm just braiding that to tuck it away, and this is how it looks. I did it on the other side as well, and I took some hair out in the back. Not too much on my parting on the back, I couldn't see, but that's how I parted out my leave out. And then I'm going to follow that same pattern to do the actual crochet braid that will be in the middle. So it's that same L shape that's gonna serve as the middle part. I also did this braid around the perimeter of my head, so it is connected on both sides and around the back. So after I went around the perimeter of my head, I decided to go backwards with the braids, and this is just personal preference. I don't think there's a rule to it or a rhyme or reason. I just wanted to go backwards because I thought it was easier. And this is what the foundation is looking like. As I said, that one at the front is going to be my leave out, and that one behind it is the middle part foundation. So now that we're done with our foundation, we can go ahead and start actually crocheting the hair. So I started with the front just because I wanted to ensure that I covered the front in case I ran out of hair. I wouldn't have to worry about the front being left out. So I just did the simple crochet method, pull it through, open up the loop, and pull through the other end of the hair, and that's basically what I did throughout my entire head.
Do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like heaven, so I did it. And do you remember you be back in the fall? You be when we did again all day long. Do you remember us holding hands?
This is what it's looking like after I've added all the crochet hair, and this is how it looks when I blend my hair with the crochet hair. So if you know me, you know I love juicy curls, so I decided to go ahead and add some water to it and do my edges to seal the deal. And this is the finished look. I am obsessed with it. I have always wanted that short little blunt curly bob moment, and I've never been able to get it because of course my hair is on the longer side. So I'm really happy with how this came out, and you cannot tell me that it's not my hair. The crochet hair blends so perfectly. I've obviously opted to do styles with the crochet hair, and this is the first time I'm just installing it as it is as crochet hair and wearing it as such, not in a style like miracle knots or the cassie braids like I did the last time. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. The hair is so soft, the curl pattern is so pretty, and this is what it's looking after I went ahead and added water and mousse to it. And guys, I only ended up using four packs. I would say 4 packs because it was like only 3 strands left out of the 4, but I didn't need all 5, and I say my hair is pretty full. Like there was no more space for any more. So yeah, loving it. If you guys love it as much as I do, the link will be in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, and let me know how many you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 down in the comments section below. But yeah, this is the look. Thank you so much to Ygwigs for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.